Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word popularity. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The new social media app gained popularity among teenagers quickly. Popularity refers to the state of being widely liked, admired, or supported by a large number of people, resulting in widespread recognition or acceptance. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.